So, what should we go eat?
How about Chinese?
What about Mexican?
They should have easy peasy pizza. Pizza done the easy peasy way. Welcome to our food truck, Easy Peasy, where you can get our special pizza nachos and even a dessert pizza for only $6.
You can add any toppings you'd like on your pizza, and all options are made vegetarian and gluten-free.
Welcome to Easy Peasy.
What do you guys have to eat?
Here's our menu.
Here's some cheap prices.
Yeah. What would you guys like?
What do you want, son?
I like pizza on a stick.
I like pizza nachos.
Here they are.
I think I have the dessert pizza.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Thank you.
How do you guys like the food?
This is really good.
I think we should come back here more.
We come tomorrow.
Of course, whatever you want.
Easy
We
Peasy.
came up with that name, Easy Peasy, because pizza is fun, easy, and everyone likes it.
Our menu is unique because we combine different foods. For example, pizza and nachos, and also pizza and waffles.
You can come any time of the day because we have breakfast options, dinner options, and even dessert options.
Easy Peasy. Pizza done the easy peasy way.
Pizza is the pizza, absolutely. Pizza, 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 pizza,